These are called conchas, and they're one of the most amazing things you can put inside your mouth. Make no mistake, humble to its core, but can impress any crowd of people. And if you have hands, eyes, a pair of ears, and you can think, I'll be right next to you throughout the whole process, so don't worry. By the end of this, you'll be a concha master. Before you even begin to start baking, make sure you have one of these. A scale makes sure that my recipe comes out the same as your recipe, so that you're not yelling at me in the comments that it didn't come out the right way. Use it. Alright, 500 grams of all-purpose flour into a bowl, followed by 7 grams of instant yeast. It's not the same as active dry yeast, okay? So don't get them confused. Then we're gonna go in with 75 grams of that sugary, followed by a little bit of that ocean salt. That's what ocean means. This is it for the dry ingredients, but don't forget to get up in there with the whisk and let everybody get to know each other. Set to the side while we warm up our milk. Measure out 1 cup of whole milk plus 2 tablespoons, and we're gonna heat this up in the microwave. Hey, say what you want about a microwave, but greatest invention ever. We're not boiling the milk, okay? If you boil it in the microwave, it's gonna kill the yeast and the dough's not even gonna rise. But it is optional just to make the fermentation a lot easier. Now we just crack in 2 eggs. They're gonna be of the large variety. And my secret to an even silkier and more rich concha is an extra egg yolk. And just a little bit of vanilla extract, even though I'm gonna put a little extra. You are now ready to begin making the dough, my young one. See how I put the milk in first? That's so the flour doesn't stay unmixed at the bottom, because that sucks when you're trying to knead. Eggs and vanilla go in, and you're gonna start kneading this, but stop right when the flour picks up all of that liquid. Gonna look a little shaggy, I know, but that's what we want. Let that relax for 20 to 25 minutes while you cut up some butter. And if you're impatient like me and can't wait for butter to get soft, just cut them into little pieces. The more surface area there is, the faster it softens. It's really simple. Now awaken the beast and add in butter 1 tablespoon at a time until you have no butter left. Knead it for 8 to 10 minutes on medium. We're basically bodybuilding the structure of this dough, so it may seem like a long time, but it really isn't. Oh yeah, that's looking really nice. And now you're gonna let this ferment for 1.5 hours or until it's doubled in size at room temperature. This is the part where I say like, subscribe, and comment and all that, but I'm sure you're gonna do it, right? In size. This is also the part where we divide the dough. 12 equal portions should give you that classic Mexican panaderia size. Then roll them into little bolitas and space them out about 2 inches apart because they will grow. And can we stop with the nonsense, please? We know why you're really here. It's that sweet, crunchy, flaky topping that gives conchas that signature look. But I don't blame you. We're creaming 1 stick of butter, sugar, and a little pinch of that ocean on medium for 2 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. Then in goes the flour, which we're also going to beat for another 2 minutes. I wanted 2 flavors, so I'm taking half of this and flavoring 1/2 with the chocolate, and I'm doing the other half just coloring it red. They work best when chilled, so in the fridge they go for 15 minutes before you use them. Once they're chilled, roll the topping balls and flatten them out just enough to cover the tops of the dough, making it look like a little hat. And for the design, like the name states, let's turn them into some shells. You don't have to cut too deep, just enough to make the pattern. And when all is said and done, let them rest one more time for an hour, and then we're gonna bake them for 14 to 16 minutes at 350. They'll stay pale while still being fully cooked. Thumbnail. Oh my goodness, do y'all see what I'm looking at? I already have one in my mouth completely in, but let me show you something. Crispy, soft as heck, and goes good with anything to drink. Oh, would you look at that? That topping is like a crispy candy on the top. It's so good. Yeah, it's good, ain't it? Y'all need to help me. She's gonna eat all of them. Give me a realistic rating. 9 or 10 out of 10 bullcrap.
I give it an 8.9.
8.9?
Yeah.
I call it a 9.
Actually, I think I agree with you. 9.
9? Mm-hmm. What's it missing?
To be honest, it is perfect. I would say 10, but you said not to say 10, so.
Oh my gosh.
It's so soft and fluffy and airy.
That's the wife bias right there.
That's not even a bias. That's just facts. And I'll be telling you.
Yeah, she doesn't lie with this kind of stuff.
No.
Like if I ask her, give me a real review of what I make, she's gonna tell me.
That is so...
Next time you want to impress anybody or just have something good to eat with your drinks, make this. It's easy and it looks beautiful. 추억을 마주했고 급류에 휩쓸려
guys.